I'll guide you through finding your lost Temu free gifts progress without losing your half-filled promotional cart or missing out on your rewards because the app closed down mid-game. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Temu actively utilizes strict countdown timers and visual urgency to push immediate user checkouts. If you stop midway or close the app while selecting and adding the free gifts to the special cart, you may notice the gift series appears to disappear, and you may be unable to complete the selection. Here's how to get back to those juicy Temu free gift offers. Open the Temu app directly on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the exact profile you used to initiate the giveaway campaign. Tap the U profile icon situated at the bottom center of your main navigation bar. From the top right corner, select the menu tab explicitly labeled Coupons and Offers. Locate your active campaign, like 3 free gifts or free items waiting, which displays your exact ongoing progress and time remaining. Tap the Continuation button to instantly restore your half-filled promotional cart and continue where you left off. Alternatively, tap the main search bar at the very top of your home screen interface. Type free gifts or freer directly into the search input field. Hit search to trigger an automatic interface redirect straight back into your hidden, live event dashboard. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.